Hello students, in this video we are going to see example number 2 of real numbers. So first let's read the question. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Okay, so first what they have given us q can be any integer, right? Okay. And what we need to prove is if a is going to be the positive even integer, then it should be 2q. It should be equal to 2q. If a is going to be positive odd integer, then it should be equal to 2q plus 1. So this is what we need to prove. Okay. So according to Euclid division lemma method, we know A is equal to BQ plus R, where A is a dividend, B is a divisor, Q is a quotient, and R is a remainder. Okay. Now, we take any positive integer, positive even integer for A. So we know that all the positive integers are divided by 2. Yes. So the final step, okay, the divisor would be 2, right? So B would be 2 in the final step since we are going to divide the number by 2. Okay, we are going to divide the divided by 2 and that gives you some quotient. It can be any quotient. Okay, so when it is going to be the even number and it is being divided by 2 repeatedly according to Euclid division lemma method, continuous division until we get the remainder 0, right? So finally we get the remainder 0. So when we get the remainder 0, what will happen? A is equal to 2q. Let's see an example for this. Okay, so let me take any positive integer. Okay, A is equal to 24, positive even integer. So I'm going to divide this by 2. So when I divide this by 2, I'll get 12 as a quotient and the remainder 0, right? So now 24 can be written as 2 times 12 plus 0. Now 2 is a divisor. Okay. So, and 12 is a quotient, right? And A is equal to 2q plus 0. So A is equal to 2q. So for any positive integer, it gives A is equal to 2q. Similarly, we need to prove A is equal to 2q plus 1 for all the odd integer, positive odd integer. Okay, same way we are taking a number as 25. When it has been divided by 2, it gets a quotient 12 and leaves a remainder 1. So A be any positive odd integer, it is being divided by 2, that is a divisor 2. Okay, it gives you any quotient. Here it is 12 and that leaves a remainder 1. So for any odd integer, okay, when it is being divided by 2, it can give quotient as any integer and leaving the remainder 1. So for any positive odd integer, it would be in the form of 2q plus 1. And any positive even integer, it will be in the form of 2q. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.